How to update Warzone on Xbox. This will get you the new Season 5 update. So first of all, on the Call of Duty app, you want to press this button here on the Call of Duty app, as you can see. Scroll down and then click on Manage Game and Add-ons. There, in the update section, potentially you will see it, or if you're doing it straight away, what you may have to do is actually go on the Call of Duty app itself, and then just automatically, when you load up the game, it will give you the update. If for instance it might be waiting a little bit, it's not loading up, you might have to go back out, like quit the game and go back in again. Check if it's in the update section. If not, just try and load up the Call of Duty game app as usual. Then you should see here, click on update when it says Call of Duty needs an update. There, it should automatically start updating. It might actually take a few minutes to start up and it might be very slow. You just have to wait. For me, it took around about 10 minutes to complete. For you, it might be slightly different. So please do leave a like on the video if this helped you out and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one.